Everybody who does that hold my beer and they shock their buddy to see if they can drink it, they need this device, don't they? 2, 1,
It doesn't hurt, it just feels weird.
Yeah.
Your body's a lot more reactive to it than some people.
The more muscle structure you have, the leaner you are, the faster you respond.
It was so much fun to watch.
He's like, if it's not helping me when we're done, Doc, I'm going to
Yeah.
phase you with this thing. One more time, Shannon.
Okay.
Coming up. 3, 2, 1. It's a great trap workout, too.
Oh man. I felt it that time.
Yeah, that
Should
thing
feel
is
a
so
lot
funny.
heavier and more relaxed
Yeah,
on the side.
it